Hello dear students, in this question, for a particle moving along the straight line, the displacement x depends on the time t as x is equal to atq plus bt square plus ct plus d. Then the ratio of its initial velocity to its initial acceleration depends on the A and C, or it may be B and C, or only C, or on C and D. C, the displacement x is given that ATQ plus BT square plus CT plus D. Okay, so as we know that the velocity is known as rate of change in displacement, means dx over dt, and we will get it 3at square plus 2bt प्लस सी, एंड दिस इज द कांस्टेंट टर्म एज पर टी, तो ये आपका जीरो हो जाएगा। अब इसमें जब हमें पता करना है इनिशियल एक्सेलरेशन एंड इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की बात करें, देन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगा, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इट विल बी फॉर टी इक्वल टू जीरो। ओके, देन वी इनिशियल इट विल बी सी। ओके, and acceleration is given by dv over dt, rate of change in velocity, means it will becomes 6at plus 2b, and this will be 0. Then initial acceleration equal to, that will be 2b, and in this question it is asked that the ratio of its initial velocity to its initial acceleration, then it will be ratio will be c upon 2b. Then we can see it is clear that the ratio will depends on the c and b, or b and c, then our correct option will be b. Okay, so here we will choose the correct answer, that is B and C. It will be the correct option. Okay, thank you. I hope कि आपने क्वेश्चंस का आंसर समझ लिया. Thank you.